Good day everyone, my name is Jim, founder of JT Techtronics in Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is the countdown timers. Let's start the countdowns now. Start. While waiting for the countdown, let me explain the size of the display. The height of the display is 370mm and the width of the display is 1330mm and the character size of the display is 310mm. You can see that, notice that this is the controller box. On top of the controller box, there is a run button and stop and reset button. So this part you can connect to the external button. So let's say I want to stop at the middle. Stop, it will stop and resume back, I will start. So this revolving light actually brings in three functions. The first one will be stand still, that means the light will be always on. The second one will be revolving and the third one will be flashing. So it can set inside this revolving light. So at this moment we set into the revolving light. So this can be mounted to anywhere, and this display basically is weatherproof series, so you can place it at the outdoor. So whenever reach under 0, it will trigger the revolving light. So once reach revolving light, so if there is no operator or people to press the stop button, it will keep on revolving until there is people press the stop button. Let's say I want to stop. Stop. Done. So to go to the reset, press and hold the stop button. Reset. Okay. So there is 4 buttons over here. The first button will be the mode. Press and hold the mode. So you can see that this part you cannot circle, that means you are in the mode function. So 2, 3 and 4 button is hour, minute, second represent. So hour. So when you hold, you will start jumping. So you don't need to like press one by one. So same goes to minute. So this is minute. Press, you will jump. So until the time that you are looking for. So the last one, of course, second. You also can set second. So you can press. You see that? 23, 24, 25. So once you have set the setting, press and hold the button number 1. So how it goes. So to start the counting, press start. So the good thing is that for our display, that if let's say in the middle of the event there is a power shortage, that means that there is no power. Once resume back, you'll continue. So let's try again. So now is 5 seconds. So you can see that 4, 3, 2 and stop. So usually there is a built-in real-time clock inside. So once you come back, you will continue counting. As I say, you can stop and start. This is how it looks like. If you like my video, also like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good day.